guys, in last section we have saw that all are basic programs. So today's section is also basic program, but today's section let us use a scanf. By using scanf, let us write the programs. We had wrote few programs in last section, but we had wrote only printf using. So today's section let us see the programs by writing the scanf. So before going to write the programs, let us know about the printf and scanf some few points. So printf, it is a predefined function. As we know, it is a predefined, already defined, right? Then it is defined in stdio.h header file. We had know that it is defined in a header file, right? Library we can be tell. Then it is a case sensitive, right? We had know the case sensitive in last section. So why we use printf means used to print data or information for output screen, right? If we had wrote anything program, then we need to get the output result, right? For that we will be use the printf. In last section we have saw that. So syntax of printf, inside printf double quoted semicolon, text and format specifier and variable we have to use. With variable we have to compulsory give the semicolon, right? If we don't give the semicolon, it will be give us it will be shows the error to us. So these are a few points about printf. Let us know about scanf. So scanf, it is a predefined function. It is also same predefined functions. So it is defined in stdio.h header file. Even if we can be tell it as stdio.h header file or library function. It is also case sensitive. These 3 points are similar to the printf and scanf. So why we use scanf? We use scanf to take user input at runtime. Means the screen will be waiting for user who had been using that. Then user had to give the input for that. When he entered the numbers, then it will be shows the result or output we can be tell. So syntax of scanf. Scanf, inside scanf double quoted text and format specifier, arrays of variable we have to use. In printf we will be use only variable, but in scanf we have to use the address of variable. So these are a few points about printf and scanf. We have to remember. If we remember, it will be helpful, or it will be make easiest to write the programs. So these are a few points. So let us write the program. Simple program 1. So I had opened the code blocks, as you know. Then file, new, empty file. Before going to write the programs, save it. So I will be save it as program 2.c extension. It is enter. So it is already existed. So in that I will be write. So let us start the writing. So as we know, the header files hash include stdio.h we have to use. So even again one header file I want to use. So that is hash include std lib.h. It is also one of the header file we had used. So as we know, int main. So open and close curly brace we had given. So now int a comma I had declared. If you want x, y or any other variables, you can be declared that. So then print f, inside printf double quoted, so semicolon. So this is a format outside body. Then write the inside, enter 2 numbers I had given. So this is a printf. For this we have to write the address, address of variable. Use scanf, inside scanf double quoted, after this semicolon. Remember these point symbols. So inside scanf %d I had used because we had used the int, right? So comma ampersand a we have to use address of a. then I had give this for only A. For B now we have to give. So B, so we had given user for scanf and print scanf for A and B, right? So now we need the output, right? For print we use the printf. Inside printf double quoted semicolon, so write entered. So I had gave entered numbers which we had entered. Here I gave enter two numbers. So in this entered numbers are percentage d and percentage d. I had used 2 because A and B we had declared. So comma A comma B I had gave. After this we know return 0 comma the semicolon, sorry. So this is our program, simple. So let us build. If we get any error, then let's see. So I had built, no errors we got. So let us run this program. Okay, as you can be see here, enter two numbers. The screen is waiting for the user till he give the numbers. It will be waiting. I will be give 2 4. So entered numbers are 2 and 4. We got the output. Like this, by using the scanf we will be like this getting the output. The screen will be waiting. So this is a simple and short program by using the scanf and printf we had wrote. So in next section let us know about some other programs by using the scanf. So thank you guys for watching my videos.